Hi, this is Bob Schwartz, Senior Director of Global Alliances at Veeam, and I'm thrilled to introduce Joe Arts from Lenovo today. And we're going to talk a little bit about the Lenovo Veeam Global Partnership and the opportunity that we have together to drive significant opportunities, bookings, and in particular, build on a customer promise that Lenovo and Veeam already have in this marketplace, but do it together. So Joe, welcome.
Thanks. I've been at Lenovo, where I'm responsible for solutions and software alliances and help us make sure we have the right solutions to meet our customer needs.
Great. Well, I think everybody knows Lenovo because we use ThinkPads here and maybe even some other products, but you're part of the data center group. Could you share with us a little bit about that team and their responsibilities?
Yeah, so the Lenovo Data Center Group is a provider of complete enterprise solutions, from servers through networking and storage and software and all the services needed to make all of that work well for our customers. And we have a heritage of more than 25 years of development here in Morrisville, North Carolina, where we build everything. And it's exciting to go meet customer needs. We're one of the fastest growing data center companies on the planet.
Absolutely. Well, there was a major announcement last September when Lenovo and NetApp announced together a global partnership where Lenovo is OEMing NetApp storage. Can you tell us a little bit about that partnership and what it means to the customer?
Yeah, it's really an important partnership for Lenovo because ONTAP is the most prolific software operating system for storage in the marketplace today. And NetApp has such a great heritage. We wanted to tap into all that heritage and capability that NetApp brings its customers and combine it with our global manufacturing presence to be able to deliver the kinds of solutions that our customers are challenging us to put in market to meet their business needs.
Sure. And on the very same day, there was an announcement that Lenovo is now reselling Veeam.
Yeah, that one was an easy one. One of the things that differentiates Lenovo in the marketplace is customer experience. So in the last few TBR studies, I think 13 of the last 13 studies, Lenovo's been the leading provider of customer experience for data center servers. And Veeam obviously has such an amazing heritage of customer experience. And so for us, it was a natural way to combine the two announcements together. Veeam has full orchestration capability around everything that ONTAP can provide, and our DE storage as well. And so what we wanted to do was make it easier for our customers to leverage all that capability delivered through those DM and DE storage arrays that Lenovo builds, and make it really easy for them to meet their organization critical goals.
So this is an interesting marketplace today. A lot of customers are going through transition. They're thinking about next generation data centers. They're thinking about how they manage data more securely and to protect that data. How is Lenovo going to market? What's the problem you're trying to solve for customers?
That's a good question, and the problem varies obviously by what customer you're speaking to. But one of the most interesting things we found is just the fact that there is so much more data being created. When you look at it, we have customers that are operating at the edge with IoT and generating immense amounts of data there. We have a set of edge devices to go help that customer make sense of what's happening in real time and at the edge, and then bring all that data back to the core data center to provide longer term insights and analytics to help propel their business forward. And so that's something that Lenovo is seeing across most major industries and customer types.
I was at the Lenovo conference just last week, and one of the things that I learned is that Lenovo is now a $50 billion company, really thinking about the future and the next generation of data, whether that be IoT, machine learning, or other forms of data. So do you see Lenovo from a storage and data backup perspective also participating in the next generation data management?
I think one of the things that sets Lenovo apart is we try not to go into the customer environment with a single solution for everything. Our goal is to go in, to be curious, to ask questions of the customer, understand what their needs are, and then choose from a range of solutions to go meet their needs and deliver on that. And that's what's so exciting about our relationship with Veeam, is that across a variety of the different solution types that we provide our customers, whether it be Nutanix or vSAN or our storage partnership with NetApp around DM and DE, Veeam provides a common thread across that in terms of business continuity and availability solutions, and with the new data lab capability, the ability to really make use of that secondary data and put it to productive use for the organization.
That's right. Well, Joe, it's a pleasure speaking with you today. We really value the Lenovo partnership. It's critical. It's a very strategic partnership, I think, for both of our companies. And I thank you for joining us today and learning a little bit more about this partnership.